Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Introduction to Pivot Tables, Part 5, a case study. In this video, I will combine the elements discussed in the previous 4 videos of this series to demonstrate how you could use a pivot table to quickly pull useful information out of a dataset. Here we have a simple dataset with 4 columns that describe the number of days absent and the number of days tardy for a group of students. I have created a pivot table for this dataset following the steps outlined in Part 1 of this series. Let's imagine that I've been asked to present about the attendance of this group of students at a school board meeting. I can use the pivot table to prepare my report quickly and easily. First, I want to create a table to show the average number of days absent. To do that, I will drag the Days Absent column header into the Values element. I will click in the Summarize By drop-down menu and select Average. Next, my board members will probably want to know some other descriptive statistics about absenteeism. I will add another Days Absent box under the Values element and set this one to display the minimum, and one more to display the maximum. My school board has been really interested in gender disparity recently, so I want to add a gender to the rows element in order to disaggregate my data. Finally, I will add group to the filters element so that I can quickly toggle between the 4 groups of students in my dataset. Having quickly built this pivot table, I should be able to prepare a report that answers the questions of my board. In this video, I provided a real-world example for pivot table use. For more information about how to use pivot tables to analyze data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.